Hey guys, it's official now. Pixelmator Pro became a first-party app. If you head to the official website, you may see this message at the very top informing that Pixelmator team has joined Apple. So, deal is sealed. We don't know exact amount of acquisition because it was kind of hidden with other costs in the last Apple financial report, but now Apple owns a software for photo editing once more, so they don't need to promote Photoshop or even Affinity Photo. They got their own first-party app. So this year will be really interesting for Photoshop alternative, I would say. So if you are the one that hope that this will be once released on Windows, now we can forget about that. Now it's a first-party Apple software, and as you can see here, the interface is very much Apple-like. They don't need to change much here. It's very clean and modern, all of design with like proper Apple shapes, icons, colors. So it's very familiar for Apple users. On the left, we got our layer panel. At the top, we got this handy zoom-in slider. On the right, we got all our tools. So the tool panel is on the right this time. And there's a very handy Properties tab just next to your tools. So whenever you change the tool, this tab change as well, giving you kind of more control of each tool. So we don't need to go back and forward between tool and the top of the screen for properties. So that's handy. And also you may notice there are some unusual tools, like for example style. Normally something like this is triggered from menus at the top or menus in the layer panel. But here is all blended into a tool list. At first, I didn't like this change, but later on, I kind of get used to that. And I think it's great for new users because you're searching for a tool. All right, everything is in one tool panel, even stuff like styles or effects. That's right, you don't need to go to format, effects, searching for different menus. You can just click effects from the tool panel and then you got the effect gallery with examples. All right. And if you are brand new users, if you hover your mouse on the tool, it will give you this short description with example. So I really like this example. As an educator, I know how powerful it is to actually show the example for each tool. So take a look. You hover your mouse on the gradient and you got a little animation, a little example of the use. Very handy for us new users to Pixelmator Pro. And if you wanna deep dive into this new software from Apple, you can check the link in the description. I will be linking my 3-hour-long class covering everything from the interface to practical use of filters and effects, even into graphic design, combining shapes and pictures and using vector tools. Alright, that was just a quick update on Pixelmator Pro. Now it's an official Apple first-party app. See you in the next one.